So what we want to take a look at today is a set of math adventure books that I know my boys liked called Ryan's Math Adventures. And you kind of see this is an animated book. There are print books as well as Kindle books. So you can buy the Kindle version for a little bit cheaper, but the paperback is really nice for kids to kind of get their hands on. You can kind of see it is set up like a comic book. It's animated, and to better show you what these books are like and to explain them to you, I figured that I would have the readers of the book explain it to you. So we'll let some boys explain it to you.
So the very first book, I know this one says first, but this is the first one. It's Ryan's Math Adventure, the pronouns one, and the numbers smaller than 20.
Okay, and then the number smaller than 20.
And there's a workbook, and this one does not have a workbook.
Okay, so let's take a look and see. Let me find one of these math pages in here. So there's math all throughout. Hang on, let's find one of the ones where you actually have to do. So you can see that there is math actually embedded within this comic book and asking you to do things, figure out your numbers.
And it also has the workbook, which is really nice, comparing numbers. Like this one, it was in the book. They just take it out with it of in the books, and then they post some of the pictures in here, which is really good to help you.
Gotcha.
And then there's also the answers.
Okay. Tell us about book 2. What is book 2 about?
Basic of addition and subtraction. And she does not know how to use magic yet, so she said shrink and pointed at this weird animal thing, and it made it bigger, so she has to learn math to be able to control her magic better.
Okay. What about this third book?
Basic of figures. Basic of figures is the basic of figures, like
what kind of figures is it talking about?
All different kind of, like these are like the figures you see right here. These are the figures.
So what kind of names are the figures we're talking about?
It should have it in here, and spheres are like an orange or a tennis ball.
Mm-hmm.
And then they also talk to you about cones.
Okay.
It talks to you about every single type of shape, not every single type, but other.
Okay. So tell us about. So you told us about what all the books are about. So talk to us in the prologue, which kind of sets up the characters. Tell us about the characters in the book. So just show us from like the front cover about the characters on there.
This is Ryan.
Okay.
Ryan getting scared because it's not his world. He traveled into another world, and this is the princess and one of the guards getting away because one of the evil bad guys got the staff of chaos, and he's not making everyone's math.
So what did he do with the staff of chaos?
He like erased everyone's memory of math.
Okay, and so
and this also teaches you about math, and there's a 5th book coming out.
Gotcha. Well, very good. Well, thank you very much. So, guys, you can see that with the different books that you can kind of take it through, and that kids like it. It's animated. It's very similar to a lot of video games they probably play. Comic books, whether it's Dogman, whether it's anything else. And they really like these books. Captain Underpants as well. So a lot of kids like the animated versions of these. Check them out. You can look on the description and see the links for these books. You can find them on Amazon.